Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review BrainCert. So BrainCert is a platform that lets you create and sell online courses, and when you create your courses, there are a lot of customization options. You can also host live classes, you can create bundles, you can create assessments or tests, and you can even sell shippable products using BrainCert. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So you will get access to all the free and paid published product types. You can add your custom domain. You can also white label the platform. There is advanced CRM. You can build site or landing pages using the no-code site builder. You can create unlimited landing and content pages. You can also send unlimited emails as well as shippable products. You have Zoom and web conferencing integration. And for payment, you can use either Stripe or PayPal. You can also add unlimited learners. And there is also gamification features that includes points, badges, leaderboard, and rewards. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $69, where you can add 2 admins and authors. There is 5% transaction fee for the platform. You can create 10 courses, 10 bundles. You can have 1000 CRM contacts, and there is also 10 GB of cloud storage. You can also opt for the license tier 2, license tier 3. There is also 4. And the highest one is license tier 5. So this tier 5 is going to give you a lot of limits, such as you can create 300 courses, 300 bundles, and keep in mind the transaction fee is going to be 0%. You can add unlimited admins or authors, and there are also a lot of additional features, such as you can host unlimited live classes. You can have up to 50 files of total Scrum uploads. There is 3000 minutes per month virtual classroom, 600 minutes per month HD recordings. You can add custom registration fields, and there is also going to be custom reporting. So if you want to buy BrainCert on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Before I go to the dashboard, let me first show you the roadmap of BrainCert. So here is the roadmap of BrainCert. So you can see all of the planned features. There are also more planned features, and these are some of the in progress features. And then you can also see 2 of the completed features. So now let's go to the dashboard. After you log in, you are going to get this dashboard on BrainCert. And on the dashboard, there are 3 sections, separate sections for 3 different purposes. So one is the super admin. So the users that you have on your dashboard who have the super admin access, for them, this is the dashboard. So they can see some stats such as the lessons they have, the test, live classes, storage. So all these stats are going to be available for the super admin. And there are also separate stats for the e-commerce section. So here is that. And there is also another dashboard that is for instructor. So here is that. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to add users, how to add people to your account on BrainCert. So for that, just click on this people and then click on users. So now you can see the list of all the users that are currently on your account. So I only have myself, and you can also see the status, user type. So I have super admin access. You can see the contact type and some more details. And you can also edit a user. So you can change the first name, last name, this kind of details, change the password, as well as change the user type. And in order to add new users, you have 2 options. So you can add users individually, one by one. So all you have to do is just provide the first name, last name, username, email address, the password, and then you have to select one of the most important things about the user, that is so what type of access you want to give to the user. It could be super admin who has full access with no restrictions. It could be a teacher that also has full access excluding 2 sections, which are global settings and people. And you can also add learners. They are going to have access to both free and purchased paid content. But if you do not want to go through the hassle of adding users one by one, you want to add a lot of users at once. For that, you have to use this bulk import users. So click on this. And now you have to upload the CSV file that has all the details of all the users that you want to add. And keep in mind, you can add max 50 users per CSV file. And if you want to see the sample file, just click on this. You're going to get the sample file from here. And once you add the file, you can also see details report on this section. So now I want to show you how the courses on BrainCert are going to work. So for that you have to click on this product and then click on courses. So there are multiple options. You can create a course, manage existing courses, create categories for course. So let me show you these categories first. So here you can add different categories for your course. Let me create some. So this is going to be one category. Okay, I also have to provide the description. Now let's add another category and click on save. So as you can see, now I have two categories, and now when I want to create courses, I can add particular courses to any of these categories. I can also create levels. So these are all instructional levels. These are 3 levels that are given by default. You can also add more if you want. So all you have to do is just provide the level name. So now what I want to show you is how to create a course. So for that, click on this. So now you have to provide all the details, all basic details about your course. So first you have to upload the profile picture for the instructor, the name, and then you can provide a course title, the slug or the custom URL for the course. You can also add subtitle, course image, and some other settings you can change. But a great feature on here is that BrainCert has this AI suggest option. So if you click on this, and now if you provide the course topic on here, just within a few words, it is going to generate a full course overview. So let's try that. So I'm just going to type video editing course and then click on this. Let's see what we get. So now have a look that the AI has came up with the course title, subtitle, description, course highlights. So now if you think these are alright, you can simply click on this. And as you can see, all the information have been added. But there are still some boxes that are empty, such as this category. So remember how I created 2 categories. So I'm going to add this category. So I'm going to add this video course to this video category. I can also select the instruction level. So I'm just going to select beginner. Let's also choose a photo from the library for the course. And then I can change some settings from here. And now all I want to do is just click on next. Okay, I also have to provide the description about the instructor. Okay, so now let's click on next. And now I have to choose some advanced settings. So I have to select the enrollment limit. So it could be unlimited, or I can also give a particular number. For example, I want to have 20 seats for this course. And I can also add a promotional video about this course. And then we have all the course highlights. I can choose the language as well as I can add various tags. So now let's just click on next. And now I can also set up the payment settings. So for example, I want to make this course a paid one. So now let's just save it. Okay, so the initial steps for the course have been created. So as you can see, the course is now available on this manage course section. So now I can also customize a lot of different things, a lot of elements about this course. And for that, I have to click on these 3 dots. So you can add various curriculums. Let me show you this. So for that, you have to click on this add chapter and then provide the chapter name. Click on add. Okay, so the first chapter has been created. So now you can add lectures to your chapters. So just click on this plus icon, provide the lecture name. And then you can provide lecture completion rule, and you can do that from here. You can also add drip content. So you have to provide published lecture will drip after how many days a student enrolls. So you have to provide that. Click on save. And then you can also add various content. Here's the library. So you can see all of your files that are available on the library. And in order to upload your files, you have to go to that library first. So as you can see, here's the library. So you can see all of your uploaded content, embedded content, web content, as well as iframe content. You can create folders to organize your files, and you can also upload content. So let's upload something. And after uploading, you can select the title. You can allow it to be downloaded, allow it to print. You can also disable the text copy, and you can also add it to a folder. Okay, so the file has been uploaded. So now I can add those files to this lecture. So just click on this add content. And as you can see, the image is now here. So I can just select it and click on add. And as you can see, the image has been added. Other than adding content, you can also add text to this lecture. So here's the test library, and you have to add your test. Let me show you from where. So click on these assessments and then click on create a test. So now you can create your test. Let me fill up all these details. And then you have to select some advanced settings. So these are the settings. Okay, so the test has been created. Now I can add it to the lecture. So click on add test. And as you can see, the test is now appearing. So I can just now add it. And I can also add assignment. So in order to add the assignment, I have to go to this manage courses section and then click on these three dots. And I have to click on these assignments. So now I can add assignments on here and then I can add those to the lectures. So this was everything about curriculum. You can add more chapters and on each chapter you can have as many lectures as you want. So now let's go back to the manage course and we have some other features on here. So you can preview it as a learner or instructor. You can also manage the waitlist and then you can also edit the basic information or the advanced settings about the course. You can clone it, delete it, publish this course. And I have already showed you the curriculum features. You can also create certificates for your course. Let me show you this. So here are some of the certificate designs that you can choose from. And you can also add various rules for this course. So you have to select from these settings in order to add rules to your courses. And other than that, there are also more features such as you can see the reports about this course, assignments, you can add discount coupons, you can see the shopping cart, you can enroll individual students, manage enrolled students, email the students that are enrolled, and you can also change the course settings, notification settings. And other than the courses, there are also some other features on the left side on this product section. So I already showed you the assessment or the test. You can also create bundles. So for creating that, just click on this and then you have to provide the bundle name, the slug. You have to select the courses that you want to add to the bundle. You can choose the course type, so it could be free or paid. Add a bundle image and you can also add a description. And after bundles, there is also this content where you can upload all of your necessary content that I already showed you. Then we have this course and something I haven't showed on this course section is this comments. So the people that enroll in your course, they will have the option to leave comments about your course. So you can see them, all of them on here, the unread ones, read ones, and also the deleted ones. And there is another feature that is related to the courses. So you can host virtual classroom just like a Zoom meeting. So on a meeting, you can have multiple participants and then one speaker can talk to all the participants, present something specific. So you can do exactly that on this virtual classroom. There are going to be a lot of features for that. So you can schedule the classes, manage them, and you can also see all of the recordings of the virtual classroom on here. And then we have this online store. So remember how I told you, you can even sell products, shippable products using BrainCert. So you can create a product, manage products, and a lot more. So I'm just going to show you this create a product. So now you can provide the product name, a short description about the product, create a slug or custom URL for the product. You can set a price, you can add description, add product image, and fill all these details in order to create your product. And you can manage all of your products from here. You can also see all of your discount coupons on this list. And if you do not have any, you can also create one from here. And for products, just like courses, you also have categories. So you can add different categories and then add certain products to certain categories. And you also have this email notification for the online store. And then we have the sales and marketing on BrainCert. So you can create coupons from here. Just click on this. Now you have to fill up all these details. You can either create global discount or specific offer. And remember about the landing page feature. So in order to create landing page, you have to click on this website and then go to landing page. So here is one default landing page. You can also create a new one. So there are a lot of templates that you can use. For example, I want to use this template. So just click on start building. So first you have to provide a page name. And now this template or the landing page editor, this is fully drag and drop. So you can add this text, edit this one, this image, whatever you want and whatever you choose. On the right side, you can see all of the settings about that. So for example, if I choose this image, I can now remove this image, change it with something else, change the width, height. I can also change style and some advanced settings. And there is also this code editor. So if you want to add any code, you can do that from here. So this is how you can super easily create your landing pages with this editor. And you can also create various content pages. For that, you have to go to this content page. So already there are some pre-given content pages such as this contact us, about us, terms of use, all of these pages. So you can also add new content page. So you have to provide the title, description, page keywords, and a brief summary of the page. and you can also edit this existing content. For that, just click on these dots, click on edit. So now you can edit the contact us page. And then we have this gamification. So on this gamification, you can set up points, and there are a lot of points that are pre-given. So you can simply enable one, and each login is going to give how many points. You can set that on this box, and if you enable this, it is going to apply to the users. So here are all the points. You can also create badges. So just click on this. So now you have to fill all these details in order to create badge for your users. You can also create reward system. And then we have these reports and analytics. So from here you can get reports or analytics or statistics about various sections, various products such as courses, test, online store, coupon, revenue graph, order history, customers. So if I go to the reports and analytics about courses, so as you can see, here is the detailed reporting. And last but not least, we have these global settings. So from here we can change a lot of different settings such as the basic ones, the branding, catalog settings. We can add domains, change settings about e-commerce, add extensions, gamification, and a lot more. Overall, I think BrainCert is an excellent tool that lets you create courses, but it is definitely not limited to only let you creating courses. You can create products directly from the platform. You can then sell those products. You can add various users. You can create landing pages. You have gamification features. You also have detailed analytics for literally every feature on BrainCert. So if you want to buy this tool from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 4 and tier 5.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.